Hi, I'm Rae Baker, and I'm a program specialist for the High State University in the area of healthy relationships. And I have Jami Dellifield with us here today. And she's going to share with us some small movement exercises that we can do just in our homes and sitting down. And Jami, could you talk a little bit about the importance of putting some movement in our days and how we can make some small changes?
Absolutely. Absolutely. So I don't know about all of you, but I find myself sitting way too much. And so what we're going to start with are some exercises that you can do while you're actually seated. So I would encourage you, if you're seated right now, just to move to the edge of your chair and let's do some shoulder shrugs. So we're just going to shrug our shoulders, squeezing things tight as we go. Try to do everything anywhere from 5 to 10 repetitions. Using circuitry is always good. So coming back around and redoing some of these stretches again, multiple times is important. Another one that's really, really easy is just lifting your arms up above your head. And again, if your arms only go this high, that is totally fine, right? So we're just moving things up. You could make a big swing down. So you could go up like a rainbow, like you're being an angel, right? Anybody snow angels? It's snowing currently outside. So snow angels. Another one is while your feet, just pick your feet slowly up off the floor. So if you need to, hold on to your chair, put your hands on your knees. And I know you can't see me moving my feet, but my feet are moving. Another easy one, put your heels, stretch your legs out in front of you and put your heels up. And then point your toes and flex your toes. Point your toes. Flex your toes. Also good to do that with your wrists. So I'm going to roll my wrists in, roll my wrists out, do some lovely stretches like this. And if you want to go back to days of 4-H camp, right? I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Move some fingers. So anything, you can do many, many different things seated or standing. So an easy one, honestly, y'all, just stand up right now, wherever you're at. Just stand up and sit back down and stand up and sit back down. Taking small little breaks throughout the day where you do this can make a huge difference in how you feel physically and how your brain begins to process information. Because I don't know about you, but when you stare at anything for too long, you start to go a little bit numb. So adding little bitty places where you move a little bit more. Stand up, go to the water cooler, and take a lap around your office or your home can really, really help. So little changes, big impacts.
Great. Thank you, Jami. That's one of our OSU Extension educators here for the state of Ohio, sharing how we can make some small changes and increase our movement during the day. Thank you, Jami, for being here.